In this tutorial, I'll show you how to export your Webflow website code. Let's get started. Open your Webflow project and click the main menu in the top left corner of the designer. Select Export Code from the menu. Choose the files you want to export. In most cases, you'll export the HTML, CSS, and JavaScript files to ensure your website works correctly outside of Webflow. Click Prepare Zip, then wait for Webflow to generate the export. Once it's ready, click Download Zip to save the website code to your computer. Keep in mind that exported code does not include Webflow hosting features such as CMS content, form handling, or other dynamic functionality, so you may need to set those up separately if you're hosting the site elsewhere. That's how to export your Webflow website code. Thanks for watching.